I sometimes get asked, why should I book through a travel agent or travel advisor? Well, let me ask you this. Would you send your children to a school where the adults there have never taught? Or would you book a hair appointment with someone who has never cut hair? Or would you go see a doctor who never went to medical school? The next time you book your cruise vacation online or over the phone, ask the call center rep how many cruises have they actually been on. Book your cruise through a good travel agent who, well, actually cruises. Not only do you get free access to a knowledgeable cruiser who can share firsthand tips and tricks, you get the same rate as the cruise lines, and in some cases an even better rate. Plus, we often offer special booking incentives, monitor and adjust your pricing, provide recommendations, and book shore excursions, and more. By the way, check out our cruising YouTube channel, MHFamilyAdventures, where we share all of our cruising adventures from embarkation to debarkation. You get all of this and more, and guess what? You'll also be supporting a small family business. Remember, our services are free. The cruise lines pay our commission. So rather than keeping those dollars within the multi-billion-dollar cruise industry, help pass them along to hardworking small businesses. Book your cruise with a travel agent who cruises. In fact, book your next cruise with Major Adventures Travel Agency. The information is below. Thank you and happy cruising.